I just built a cold email campaign that identifies exactly which websites your competitors are getting cited in Google's AI overviews and where you are not. In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you how the entire system works and how we find citation gaps, rank target pages, and generate personalized outreach at scale. Here's the problem. Google's AI overviews are basically changing how B2B buyers discover solutions today. So when someone searches best email security tools, AI overview shows 5 to 10 sources. And if your competitors are cited but you aren't, you're basically invisible. Most companies have no idea which queries trigger AI overviews in their space, which competitors are getting cited, which specific pages they need to target, or what anchor text actually works. So I built a system that answers all 4 questions automatically for every single prospect in your pipeline. So let's take a look. All of this runs automatically in Clay, so let me show you each piece here. So we first start out by determining a search query. What would the company want to be searched for? Check this out right here. So determine search keyword query. And if I zoom in here, we're just giving the AI, this is a Clayagent in clay.com, and we're giving it the company name, website, what they do, the industry, and some keyword hints that we have about the company. And this gives us a nice search query. We get the exact buyer search terms that would be an ideal match for what the company does. For this email security company, it outputs best email authentication solutions. It's very specific, searchable, and triggers comparison content. And this runs on every row automatically. Now we need to know who's actually getting cited in AI overviews. For that, we hit up Google Search API. And so the first call gets an organic search results plus a page token if an AI overview exists. And what we do is then extract that token and make a second API call in the AI overviews column right here, Google's AI overview endpoint. And this gives us the actual domains that Google's citing and not guesses, but actual data. For best personal finance platforms, AI overviews cite companies like Pocketsmith, youneedabudget.com, Honeydew, for example. Now we know exactly where this company needs to be. So we combine this with the organic search results to get a complete picture of the citation landscape. Next, we need to know, are their competitors getting cited? So we run a Clayagent AI, which basically just goes out and finds their top 5 competitors. So we give it a bunch of context and information about the company, and then we find their top competitors. And then we just need to figure out, are they cited in AI overviews or not? So we do a formula column right here, and this determines based upon if they have a competitor, are they cited in the domain or are they not cited? For this personal finance app, it finds Pocketsmith, You Need a Budget, Mint.com, etc., etc. All direct competitors in the budgeting space. Then we check, are these competitor domains showing up in our citation data? If yes, we flag it as competitor cited, and if not, we just use not cited. Now we have hundreds of data points, but which pages should our prospect actually be targeting? We built a scoring system, plus 2 points if a competitor is cited on that page, plus 1 point if their brand isn't mentioned. Higher scores equal better opportunities. A critical detail is that we filtered out competitor homepages. You can't get cited on your competitor's site. Only third-party sites like PC Mag, Forbes, Reddit, etc. are what we use. The system surfaces the top 5 targets with exact page titles and anchor text, everything they need to take action. And then finally, we turn all this data into personalized outreach. We built 3 template arrays that auto branch based upon citation status, one for not cited, one for competitor cited, one for already cited. And each array has 5 different variants so that the deliverability stays high and every prospect gets a totally unique message, which I'm going to show you here in a second. So here's an example for best personal finance apps. Hi Alicia, when I search best personal finance apps, I see Pocketsmith, You Need a Budget in AI overviews, but not Monarch Money. You could quickly get cited on PCMag.com, best personal finance and budgeting apps, and Purdue Global EDU. These are both strong opportunities for your brand, and I've mapped out a plan for best personal finance apps to help your site get featured in AI overviews with 10 sources and anchor text ready to go. Want a copy? And then we also do 2 follow-ups. One is for offering a free backlink analysis and one for a simple final ask. So the follow-up one looks like this. Hello, Alicia. A quick follow-up. If the citation plan isn't your primary focus now, I can perform a no-cost backlink assessment for Monarch Money. Simply send me the URLs of 3 competitors you'd like to compare against, and I'll prepare the report. And then the final message. Alicia, this is my last note about the 10-source citation plan for Monarch Money. Let me know if you'd like me to send it your way. So nice light touches. Now let's take a look at the variability across messaging, and I'm just going to scroll through here, there's one for Alicia, here's one for Melissa. And what you'll notice is that each one is quite different from the last one. It's not like a templated format or feel. That means every prospect gets a unique message, which really helps for deliverability and doesn't read like AI spam. So what does this actually deliver? For every prospect in your pipeline, you get their exact buyer intent search query, which competitors are beating them in AI overviews, top 5 pages they need to target, personalized outreach with specific proof points, and a complete 3-touch sequence ready to send. And as you saw, this is applicable across different industries: email security, personal finance, gym management, marketing automation. The system adapts to any B2B SaaS category. This isn't just cold email. This is a competitive intelligence delivered as a service. If you're running cold outreach and you're not using data like this, you're definitely leaving money on the table. I build systems like this for B2B SaaS companies and agencies. And if you want me to build something similar for your GTM motion, whether it's AI overview citations, competitor tracking, or any other data-driven workflow, book a call. Link in the description. I'll show you exactly what's possible with your data. And if you want to see how I built this step by step, I'm dropping a full tutorial next week. Subscribe so you don't miss it. Bye-bye.